Do I need to file a Massachusetts estate tax return? Are you wondering if you need to file a Massachusetts estate tax return? This is an important question for anyone managing an estate in the state. Let's break down the details to help you understand what you need to do. If you are handling the estate of someone who lived in Massachusetts, you must file a Massachusetts estate tax return if the gross estate value exceeds $2 million as of 2025. The gross estate includes almost all property owned by the deceased at the time of death. This includes real estate, stocks, personal belongings, and certain gifts made during their lifetime that were taxable under federal law. It is essential to note that this $2 million threshold is specific to Massachusetts and does not change with inflation. This means it stays the same unless the law is updated. Even if the estate is not large enough to owe federal estate tax, which applies to estates valued over approximately $14 million in 2025, you still need to file a return if it meets the Massachusetts threshold. For those who are not residents of Massachusetts, you may still need to file if the deceased owned real estate or personal property located in the state. This includes items like boats or planes. The rules for Massachusetts estate tax can apply based on where the assets are located, not just where the person lived. The personal representative or executor of the estate is responsible for filing the estate tax return. If the estate's value is below the $2 million threshold, you do not need to file a Massachusetts estate tax return. However, you can record an affidavit stating no estate tax is due to releases any automatic estate tax lien on Massachusetts real estate. Keep in mind that Massachusetts does not allow the unused estate tax exemption of a deceased spouse to be transferred to the surviving spouse. This lack of portability can affect how you plan your estate. If you are managing an estate in Massachusetts, here are some steps to follow. First, determine the total value of the deceased assets, including any taxable gifts made during their lifetime. If this total exceeds $2 million, you will need to prepare and file the Massachusetts estate tax return. If the estate includes real estate in Massachusetts, be aware that an automatic estate tax lien will attach. You will need to release this lien by filing the appropriate affidavit or certificate. If any estimated estate tax was paid, such as related to the sale of real estate, a final estate tax return must be filed to confirm the estate's value and calculate any final tax due or refund. Understanding these filing requirements is essential for effective estate planning and ensuring compliance with Massachusetts law. Proper planning can help avoid unexpected tax liabilities and make the process smoother for heirs and executors.